What's up, guys? My ball joint spacers have finally arrived. Before we start this job, I'm just gonna go grab a quick coffee from my favorite coffee spot, and then we'll get back, and it shouldn't take us too long. I don't think this is gonna be a hard job, so let's go. The thing with old trucks is you have to warm them up, otherwise they drive like shit. Always got this thing with me, guys. I know a lot of you on here love this camera, came here for this camera, and I promise you a video is coming soon. But yeah, I shoot with this every day. Like if I see something I want to take a photograph of, I'm using this more than my iPhone. It's so good. I've just been so busy with other life stuff, and yeah, haven't really had time to just make random videos like that, but it's been a long time coming because I know there's been a lot of you wanting like an updated video on the Alex 5. Coffee. This is like my go-to spot, and it's only like 5 minutes from my house. Best coffee in West Auckland for sure. Yeah, so this is it, guys. The ball joint spacer. Super simple setup. Let's get them in. Alright, so it looks like we just need to take off these 4 bolts here, and basically this is gonna sit like that, but obviously underneath. Alright guys, we got it out. That was easy. That just goes on there, and we bolt it back up inside. Okay, so that was way easier than I expected. That probably only took like 30 minutes to do both sides. Not sure how much of a lift it's gonna give, but excited to see. Kind of bummed though, because I did actually order black ones, and I was gonna paint these, but that's just like too much of a mission, waste the money. It's fine. Honestly guys, like so easy. I am far from a mechanic, but I know how to use tools and I understand basic things like this, so easy. Alright guys, let's drop it and see the difference. Oh shit. Okay. It's definitely lifted. That's crack up. Alright, cool. Can definitely put bigger wheels on there now. That's nice. Huh. Damn, that camber is crazy though. Yeah, that's not good. Alright, let's measure it. Actually, first, let's move it. What the fuck, it feels different.
Oh, it drives nicer. It's not so hard on suspension. Bruh. Okay. Yo, that's so good. Just realized you guys can still hear me on the mic. Alright, let me check you guys up here. Okay. Let's measure. What are we at now? From the ground to the guard, we have, what's that? 7, it's about 770, and bear in mind, this ground isn't perfectly flat. There's actually a little dip here, so this side will probably be slightly different. Yeah. This side we are sitting at 785. Damn guys, that was an easy job. Honestly, it probably took like 30 minutes. 2 tools, done. And you know what? When I had the torsion bars wound up, like I already knew what to expect winding them up. But the ride was terrible, like super bumpy, super stiff. And now chucking those in, I just literally drove it down the driveway. At the bottom of my driveway, it's a little bit bumpy. And it just felt so nice and like, yeah. I'm guessing it's, yeah, it's helped somehow. I don't understand how it works, but like I get that it's putting that ball joint spacer in has changed the angle of the control arm, which I guess allows more travel. That's one thing I noticed when I installed them and then bolted everything back up. It didn't look so as extended, if that makes sense, but it's lifted it. So yeah, damn, I'm so happy. So happy. And yeah, just as I thought, it's slightly higher at the front now. Obviously the driveway's a little bit it's not perfectly flat, but yeah, I love this stance. And you guys won't be able to tell from the camera, but the front wheels now got really ugly ass camber, so I need to take it in for a wheel alignment ASAP. And yeah, now I can get bigger wheels. That's gonna be cool. Such an easy modification to change the look of your vehicle. I've never done ball joint spacers before, like on my old trucks, like my Land Rover. I just got 2-inch springs and shocks, heavy duty, and that was easy enough. But this is so simple. I love working on these trucks.
Alright guys, let's take it for a drive around the block and see what it's actually like. The difference is crazy, guys. After installing those spacers, everything just feels way nicer. Because before, when I'd wound up the torsion bars, any little bump, any speed bump I went over, anything like a rock on the road, man, it was rough. I felt every little bump on the road. So installing these spacers has eliminated that. It's just so much nicer now. One thing though, I am noticing the wheel vibration because of the wheel alignment. I've got that really bad camber right now, so yeah, once I hit like 50 kilometers an hour, it's quite noisy. But I am gonna call somewhere right now and try booking a wheel alignment for today or in the next couple of days.